Downsizing often involves moving to a new location. People may be interested in learning about the moving process and how to find a new home that meets their needs. Make your move stress-free with these helpful tips and tricks. Number 1, research your new location and neighborhood to find a home that meets your needs. 2, hire a reputable moving company or enlist the help of friends and family to make the moving process easier. 3, make a list of all the tasks that need to be done before, during, and after the move to stay organized. And 4, consider downsizing your possessions before the move to reduce the amount of items that need to be packed and moved. Moving and relocation can be overwhelming, but with the right planning and preparation, it can be a smooth and successful transition to your downsized home. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.